case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1977 case heard by the Minnesota Supreme Court, Tolbert v. Gerber Industries, Inc., the court tackled the issue of indemnity between two negligent parties, one being actively or primarily negligent, and the other being passively or secondarily negligent. The case centered around Norman Tolbert, who was injured while working for Schuler Grain Company due to defective equipment installed by Voldco and supplied by Gerber Industries. The jury found both companies negligent and attributed 100% of the negligence to them jointly. Initially, the trial court awarded Voldco 100% indemnity from Gerber. However, this decision was later reversed, and it was decided that the proportion of liability between the two companies should be determined based on their culpability using a newly adopted rule. This rule awarded contribution for concurrent negligence and sought to ameliorate rigid common law rules in line with legislative philosophy. As a result, the court held that Voldco was not entitled to 100% indemnity from Gerber, and a new trial was ordered to determine the proportion of liability between the two companies according to their degree of fault.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.